Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to talk to you about how to make money with affiliate marketing using free traffic. And I'm live in my Gmail account here. So first of all I want to show you some proof, and then I want to show you 3 free strategies that I actually started out using myself, and I still use them every single day today. And let's just have a look at the results. They're all totally free to use, and you'll see here in my inbox that it takes time to put the foundations in place, but once you're consistent and you use free traffic, then you can start to get some results. So not all of this is from free traffic, because once I earned some commissions, I upgraded in certain platforms, and now I'm starting to get some more consistent commissions coming in. Then I've reinvested that into paid traffic. But a lot of this comes from free traffic, and that's why I want to show you this today, so you can do the same. So you'll see here we've got opt-ins to the list. I've started to build my lists, and you'll see we've got referrals. So this one here is a commission starting a new leg, and we've got one here starting a new leg. We've got one here, cha-ching, you just made a sale. So we've got a combination of leads coming consistently in, and leads can become sales over time, and it's important to start building a list. And we've got here new tour takers opted into the list. We've got referrals, so referred a new member, cha-ching, you just made a sale, new tour takers, new referral. So all of these platforms that I'm using are totally free. It's just a case of getting started and being consistent. Cha-ching, you just made a sale, referral, tour taker, opted into the list, new lead, your earnings have been paid. So it's just being consistent. And then my inbox never used to look like this at all. It used to take me, sometimes I'd go 4 or 5 days without anything happening. And then all of a sudden the consistency builds up. It's the compound effect of then the momentum of doing things on a consistent basis. So here, you've made a sale. So that just sort of shows you the proof. And my first free traffic source is one that you're actually watching now, which is YouTube. And YouTube, it automates your affiliate marketing business. And a lot of people are really afraid of YouTube, and I can understand that. You don't have to show your face. You can just talk to a camera, and you can practice as many times as you want. You can just, if you know your product or your service or your opportunity, just press record and just explain it as though you were talking to a friend. And that's the best way to start YouTube. I have got other videos on my channel about starting a YouTube channel, and some great tips on there if you want to watch those. But it's great to automate your affiliate marketing business, and you put your links in the description and people get to know you and you start to develop a following. And this is for last month, the whole month of July. My best month yet of 2,537 views, but that equates to 129 hours of my videos being watched. But this is even when I'm asleep. This is totally automated. Once you've done the work with YouTube, people are watching your videos 24/7. So even when I go to my full-time job, people are still watching my videos. And this is really key here to note this, that in the analytics, we're looking at the reach, and you'll see here we've got 1,221 unique viewers. Now, if you think about that, that's quite a lot of people. That some that I know are subscribers, but a lot that you don't know all around the world. So you're starting to reach a really large audience with YouTube. And that number there is over the course of 1 month, it's up 23%. So the channel is now starting to starting to take a little bit of shape. I'll just show you how it wasn't like this for me in the beginning. I'll go back to lifetime and you'll see it took me a while. It took me a while here, you'll see in the early days. So I've had the channel going just over a year. In the early days, no views, 2 views, 3 views. So it just takes a while to gain that momentum and get that channel going. But YouTube is a great free traffic source um, for affiliate marketing. The next free traffic source I want to talk about are safe lists. I started using safe lists straight away because it's a great way to advertise to buyers, and it's also a great way to reach thousands of people while you're building your own list. And Hercules is my favorite safe list because it's got 166,000 members. And I've done other videos on Hercules. You'll see I've done quite a lot of videos. I've made affiliate commissions promoting this traffic source, and it's more than a safe list. It includes buyers, and you'll see here, send your ad to 166,550 opportunity seekers in email and web format. But you can advertise, even though Hercules is a safe list. I've done lots of other videos on this if you want to watch my reviews. Then it's more than a safe list. It also has 7 ways you can advertise inside the Hercules platform. So you can get started for free, which is what I did. And then when I started to earn some commissions, I upgraded so I could reach out to more people. And the third traffic source is traffic exchanges. And traffic exchanges also include buyers. So that's another great reason to advertise in traffic exchanges. When you first start, it can be quite time consuming. I still use these traffic exchanges while I'm watching the television just to get some credits and get some more traffic. But I have also upgraded with some of my commissions to automate the process as well. But Leads Leap is a great traffic exchange. It's a multifaceted platform site. It's not only just a traffic exchange where you can surf all these different adverts here. Leads Leap is probably one of my favorite traffic exchanges because you get free tools to market your business as a traffic exchange option as well. So you've got everything you need to build any online business, which lead capture page, pop-up generator, broadcast and autoresponder, a tracker, and also you can write some reviews here on whatever you're promoting. And these reviews are ranked. Most of these are ranked on the first page of Google, so you get some good traffic there from those. So Leads Leap is a traffic exchange. It's very simple to use. All you do is click on the ads here, and then you can collect credits. I've done other videos on this. I've done a whole playlist on Leads Leap reviews. So you get credits by clicking on the adverts, and then lots of other ways you can earn money as well within the Leads Leap platform. So that's just 3 of the ways that I actually that's how to make money with affiliate marketing using 3 traffic. They're 3 of the ways that I actually started out using, and I still use to this day every single day. And all of these are free to join, so there'll be links in the description. And I've used free tools, the free tools to promote any business with Leads Leap. I use these tools every single day myself to build my online businesses. Within these platforms, you're going to be advertising to buyers. So that's really important. There are lots of places online that you can advertise where you're not quite sure how many buyers there are. But I know within Hercules, for every free member that I actually refer, one of those in 5 actually upgrades. So there are buyers within Hercules. And even with these platforms, you can also earn residual income as a free member. And if you promote the traffic or the tools, you can earn residual income, especially within Leads Leap, as a free member as well. And with any of these platforms, I'll give you one-to-one mentoring and support because I'm using them every single day and I'm really familiar with them and how they work. So I'll help you with that as well. If you've enjoyed the video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And with the YouTube algorithm, that helps other people see the video as well. And please click subscribe and click the bell icon for all my new videos. I've now done over 350 videos on a lot of affiliate marketing. Um, and there's tools, traffic and training. We've got free and paid options. We've got some opportunities on here that might interest you. We've also got list building. You'll see here how to build a YouTube channel. So lots of different videos on different aspects of how to make money online. And I do several new videos every week. And these are the playlists that I've created. So you'll see there's lots of different playlists here. There's a playlist here for Hercules, which I've talked about today. And there's a playlist here for Leads Leap as well. So what I'll do is I'll probably pin these two playlists to the top comment below this video. And if you want some more information on these free traffic platforms, then you can either just click the links in the description and set up your free account, or you can watch the playlist for some more information. I also show the proof that I've got from the results that I've gained from these traffic methods as well. So if you've got any questions on this video, then please leave these in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.